shot. Go. Everything you got. Body, stop. Please don't help me. There you go. Let's make this quick. Come on. Can't leave until this back's full. Please don't help me. Please. I ain't got nothing. We're having a chat with Romeo and Juliet here. You want these two, Mr. Evans?
Don't let us be, please.
Just give it to it, Thomas, quick!
Okay, in the back, I'm checking. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
I feel like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
So look out for 3. 1, 2. Get up, Simon. 6 minutes in, lady. I'll make sure I got the patience.
Let's just do what he says, so this can be over. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the back of the car.
Sure about that? Show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here. Look this belt, will you? Please, everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Come on. You're smart about it.
Come on, come on, people, don't be shy. Everything we got, let's go. I am ready to feet, my dear.
Please, don't do
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. Now you folks move a muscle. You hear me?
I need all your money, my friend. You got a big lump. What is it? You all right? For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! I'm sorry. Come on, get up, get little Irish shit. Get up.
Need some help here, boy?
I'll make you mother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
These folks are in.
Arthur, I got a problem. 2 assholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just hit air them.
Fine, I guess he's fine.
Smith, get rid of
You can't come up the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now. There's only 2 of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't 2 of you right away? That way neither you get killed. Goddamn big news.
There's a few more to turn enough.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance. Drop your weapons and get off the train. We won't tell you again. Come out now with your hands up. There they are. We got more of that. Come on, folks, gonna take Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
Let's go. Stay with me.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now.